Numbers has the template, but what if you want to start from scratch? What can you do? Well, I'm going to start with a simple blank table. And first thing, right off the bat, you'll notice that it's different from Excel or any similar spreadsheet program because the rows and columns are actually limited. Now this is because you don't really need all the columns or all the rows to create a nice table. For example, let's say I want to do a vacation, just expenses for vacation. So inside my vacation, I have expenses and things that I do. Maybe I have food, there's a car, fuel, I want to buy some gifts, maybe extra other expenses. Then I want to have a total. So let's say I just put some figures over here, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, and I want to do a total. So if you're not familiar with Excel, you'll be intimidated like, oh, how do I do a equal? Okay. Here in Numbers, it's actually quite simple. Select all the values that I've inserted. And if you notice at the bottom, it gives you suggestion of what you can do with the values you have selected. It could be a sum, which is total. It could be an average. It could be the minimum, that means the lowest value. It could be the maximum value. It could even be a count, number of values you have over here. And all you have to do is select it, click, hold down the mouse button, and drag it into your table and let go. And that's it. You have a total. Now, obviously, if you're an expert in Excel, you can just click on it and you can see how it did that formula. And you can change this formula if you're an expert in Excel. So go ahead. And once you're done, you can resize the table because after all, you just only need this part. You don't need every empty rows and columns. And because this is Apple, you can apply beautiful styles. So if I select a style, you apply it to the table. So in just a few minutes, or seconds in this case, I get a very simple and beautiful chart that I can immediately share to my friends and family. So try it out.